to pay for Netflix with Apple gift card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay Netflix with Apple gift card. So first of all, just open your app store, and after that just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here under the account settings you will see the option called redeem gift card or code. So just click on redeem gift card or code, and here just get your Apple gift card handy with you, and after that just simply use your camera, or you can also enter the code manually. So just enter your Apple gift card code here in this section, and after that just click on redeem, and this way your Apple gift card amount will be added to your app store. And after that just click on the search bar and search for Netflix, and just get the Netflix in your device, and after that just simply open it. And here you have to sign in to your account. Just enter your email address, and here you will see that this app, it is not supporting the signing process, so we need to go to the web browser. So as soon as you log into your account, you will see just click on next, and here you have to select a plan that you want to buy for your Netflix, and after that just click on next. And here you will see the payment option. So since you want to pay with your Apple gift card, you just simply click on edit, and here just simply click on change payment method. So as you can see that on this page you don't have the option to choose your Apple gift card as of now, because it says credit or debit card and UPI autopay. So you have to either choose your credit or debit card or your UPI autopay. As of now, there is no way through which you can pay through your Apple gift card to make a purchase in your Netflix or to purchase your Netflix membership. So you have to select any of these payment methods. So I hope I'm able to solve your doubt about whether you will be able to pay for Netflix with Apple gift card or not. So that's how you do it. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.